Welcome to the Jurassic Jungle, where eco self-build meets cutting-edge smart home tech.
Do you have Velux windows and you're not sure how to clean them? In this video I'm going to show you how to clean a centre hung window. That's one that's typically higher up in the room. If you have a top hung window, which is one that you tend to have when it's lower down in a roof space where the windows open down quite low into the room, that will be a top hung. I've got a separate video on how to do that. The basic process is the same, that you unlock the window from its existing locking mechanism, spin it through 180 degrees and clean the outside of the window. Very, very easy to do. So let's jump right in and see how easy it is to do that on the windows that I've got here. So on this video I'm going to cover the more popular Velux window, typically which is a centre hung window. I've got another video for top hung windows, which you tend to have lower down in the room so that the window doesn't come down into the space in the room. Obviously with a centre pivoted one like this, the window could come down, so if you've got a low ceiling, someone could walk into that. So these ones are centre hung. This one's electrically operated. There's a small electric motor with a chain about 6 inches long on this one and an electric blind, and that pushes the window down and pulls it back up. So to clean the outside, we want to be able to spin the window round. So there's a grab rail along the top here which can open for ventilation, but is also what latches the motor onto the window itself. So we just unlatch that, that undoes the window, and then we can spin it 180 degrees. And then on the right hand side, sometimes there's two locks. On this one, on the right hand side, there's a pin that slides out into a little hole in the frame in the corner there, and that locks the window in place so that you can then clean it. So I tend to just use a microfiber cloth and a vacuum cleaner or a Karcher window vac to clean that. It's a little bit tricky. We're quite high up. We're about 3.5 meters up on this window here. So obviously, you know, this isn't about how to clean a window, but how to do it with the Velux. I then use a Karcher vac on here. And that does a great job of cleaning it. I've got a separate video on maintaining these windows. They do need occasionally just cleaning and re-greasing, so have a look at that. That'll be in my list of alternate videos. Once you've finished cleaning the inside, or the outside, sorry, just undo that block and then swing the window back round 180 degrees, push up, and then if you push that handle there back, it clicks in and reconnects the window to the motorised blind operator, motorised window operator in this case. So really, really quite simple to do. Also make sure that you've got a good ladder and you're safe working at heights. The outside of the windows can be quite dirty, so probably worth putting protection on carpet or anything you've got below if you're cleaning bird muck and stuff like that off. Just in case you make a mess. So hopefully that's helped. You know, I certainly wasn't clear to how to clean a Velux personally before I had them. And you know, some people have said, oh, you've got to go up on the roof, and how do you maintain it? You don't need to do that. You can do it all from inside. Obviously, we're at a reasonable height here with these windows, which makes it a little bit harder, but still not that difficult to do.